Good morning, guys. Good morning, happy Sunday. Is it Sunday again? It's always Sunday for some reason. Today we are at Porto Colón, a beautiful marina, wonderful marina here on the south of Tenerife. And we're going to go on the beach. Not been on the beach for months and months, so it's time to go on the beach. We're going to walk through the shopping centre. It's nice and hot. There's tons of activities down here. You can actually go under the water. Those headsets down there, them yellow headpieces. And you go like scuba diving really, but without all the air tanks. Yeah, I'm gonna put my phone in my sock. That used to be a carvery across there, it's now a nightclub. A crab leg. Hello, gorgeous.
Well guys, still here at the beach. It's nice and sunny down here. It's a bit cloudy up in the hills where we are. But we come down for a bit of sunshine. I'll show you Mike swimming in the sea. You know we hate swimming. Ah yes, sir. Oh. Go in now, but don't drop my phone. So don't. It is waterproof, but I'm not going to put it underwater. It might just be splash proof. So you know what, I have to go on that obstacle course thing, but I don't know how much it is.
Put my mouth in the water.
Salty water.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't see the fish from up here.
No, something bobbed up and made black splash.
Something bobbed up?
Yeah.
Looks like a private beach, this.
Got some ham.
Ham. Got a hamburger?
No, it's chicken.
Chicken and ham.
Chicken, bacon, ham and fried
I
egg.
don't mind having any ham.
Oh,
Got
give
some ham.
Zero of it.
I know you like ham.
I've got a double cheeseburger. This was like €3.50, something like that. Really cheap.
Nice.
Are you laughing at Saf?
Yeah, right, Savvy. Something's tickled it.
I have a last minute gig tonight near where we live, so we're okay. One problem is all my stage clothes are in the wash. So I've got to go back to Chinatown because we love Chinatown, and I need to find some pants that fit. The task is on.
The first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes. The moon and the stars were to the dawn and empty skies, my love.
There's enough room down.
We are now back from the gig. I've got a nice tan today. I've got a tan on my face, I have to say.
Burn.
But my left face. Back to the beach tomorrow. No, we're not going to the beach tomorrow.
I'm not sure we're going tomorrow.
We're going to sleep until 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Got some songs to learn.
Songs to learn, we've got duo next week, so working every night now.
A new duo.
I need a holiday.
If they watch our vlog.
Been to McDonald's, so we've got a double cheeseburger,
Oh.
some load of fries, and Dale got a cheeseburger. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.
Take it easy.